When you choose to join the armed forces, you have actually thought of the best in life. What Army taught me is to strive for excellence, and you can't taste success unless you give your best shot. प्रिय शौर्यवीर, सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको बधाई देता हूं कि आपने शौर्य भारत ऐप को चुना है अपने डिफेंस फोर्सेस की तैयारी के लिए। हमारे लिए भी ये बहुत सौभाग्य की बात है कि हम आपके लिए बेहतरीन वीडियो कंटेंट लेके आए हैं। शौर्य भारत ऐप के माध्यम से हम आपको वचन देते हैं गुणवत्तापूर्ण पाठ्य सामग्री एवं अनुभवी फैकल्टीज द्वारा तैयार किए गए वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल्स का। तो जुड़िए शौर्य भारत ऐप की दुनिया से। जय हिंद।
Hello friends, this class is brought to you by Shaurya Bharat. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notifications. So, yesterday we discussed about which topic? Population and reservation problem in India. And today we are discussing the topic how application of Article 370 improved or deproved Kashmir. So we all know that Kashmir was a burning topic since we got independence. It was always in the news for the terrorism or for the religious inharmony. That's why it was a need that we shall abrogate the article which was being prevalent there, which may give them special status in the Union of India. And we have abrogated on which date? 5 August 2019. That is 5 August. It's 5 August and it has been 1 year since it has been abrogated. We shall discuss on this topic and we will also get some enlightenment from you, all of you, that how you introduce the topic and how you will do the discussion on this topic. But before that, we shall start with the personal introduction session and we will start from here.
Hello friends. सर टॉपिक इंट्रोडक्शन ही करना है या
यही और दोनों होता है ना। Start.
Hello friends, my name is Mayank Singh Bhati. My father's name is Sadan Singh Bhati and he is in private job. I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. I did 10th class with 66 and 12th class with 82% from RBSc Rajasthan board, and now I am pursuing my BSc with NCC from Rajasthan University. My hobbies is playing a puzzle game like a Sudoku and Rubik's Cube. And I want to join Indian Air Force because Air Force gives me a chance to work with world's best technology. I love aircraft and dignity of uniform, and I want to live in adventurous pride and satisfaction job. So today's topic is abrogations of 370 and the 35A article in Jammu Kashmir. So on 5th August 2019. That date is a historical date in our India because on that date our President Sri Ramnath Kovind declared to abrogations of Article 370 and 35A, but few of Kashmir's politicians are against to them. So on 28th August 2019, Supreme Court is take a green signal to removing of Article 370 and 35A, and the means of Article 370 is no one other foreign countries and Indian countries invest in Kashmir, and no one doing government job in Kashmir, and no one other state person doing government job, and no one buy property in this state in Jammu Kashmir region. And the Article 35A means if Kashmir girls marry with other state boy, then the citizenship of this girl is removed. And if other hand, if same girl, if a same girl marry with Kashmir Pakistani boy, then he got citizenship of Jammu Kashmir, and it's directly and indirectly protesting terrorism because they marry with our Indian Indian girl and take advantage of these rights. Thank you.
It was totally perfect. बस वही आपने टाइम का वो नहीं देखा नहीं तो थोड़ा बहुत अटक गए बट ग्रामर was good, fluency was good, pitch was good, everything was fine. बस वो थोड़ा सा आप देखो उसको मतलब थोड़ा कंसाइज करो. ज़्यादा लंबे टाइम तक नहीं बोलना ना, उतना ही बोलना जितना जरूरत है.
Hello everyone, my name is Insyam. I come from Jodhpur. My father is Mr. Dugara and he is a farmer. I complete my 10th with 89% and 12th with 81% from RBC. I am currently pursuing BSc from JNU. My hobby is playing outdoor games like cricket and football. I won the gold medal in inter-school running competition.
And don't disturb in between. अभी रुक जाओ.
I joined the Air Force because I love the dignity of uniform. I will have the chance to work with the world's best technologies, and I want to make my village and families proud. And Indian Air Force also provide respectful and adventure life, and it is the only dream of my life. Today our topic is Article 370. Article 370 was formed. Article 370 of Indian Constitution was formed on 17 October 1949. By this, Jammu and Kashmir has separate constitution and separate flag. Article 55A was added to Article 370 by President Rajendra Prasad. By this, no outsider can own a property in Jammu and Kashmir, and no outsider can get state job in Jammu and Kashmir. And on 5th August 2019, the Union Home Minister Amit Shah announced the abrogation of Article 370. By this,
it came to an end. Thank you. By this, it came to an end. And thank you. जब ये सेटल जाओ ना तो अपनी बात को खत्म करना चाहिए थोड़ा. बाकी बहुत तो बढ़िया था. बहुत अच्छा इम्प्रूवमेंट है. प्रैक्टिस अच्छी की. हैप्पी आई एम हैप्पी फॉर यू. नेक्स्ट स्टार्ट.
Hello, sir and my friend. My name is Satish Kumar and I belong to Jodhpur. My father name is Vijay Prasad. He is a shopkeeper. I did my 10th with 85 and 12th with 89%, both from RBSc. My hobbies are to play cricket and listen music. I want to join Air Force because my parents want to see me in uniform, and I also want to serve the nation. IF also provides us to work with world's best technology, and IF also gives us respectful and adventurous life. So today's our topic is Jammu Kashmir after abrogation of Article 370. Article 370 was a provision of our constitution to give a special status to the state Jammu and Kashmir, which provide special provision to Jammu Kashmir. On 5th August 2019, our President Ramnath Kovind declared the abrogation of Article 370. By this article, the other people from other state cannot buy land and settle up in Jammu Kashmir. And this was decreasing the development of Jammu Kashmir also. So after the abrogation of Article 370, the people from other land like teachers, doctors can settle up in Jammu Kashmir and bring some major changes for development of Jammu and Kashmir. If we see through the security purpose, after the abrogation of Article 370, there are major changes in security department, like the Jammu Kashmir security has achieved great success towards the terrorists. According to MHN, Ministry of Home Affairs, it is noted that the terrorist-related activities had decreased by 36% after the abrogation of Article 370.
Nice. और बढ़िया बोला, आज तो भाई बहुत ही अच्छा इम्प्रूवमेंट है। बस थोड़ा बॉडी मूवमेंट बस किया करो। हालांकि वहाँ पे बैठे बैठे ही बोलना होता है, लेकिन अगर वो खड़ा करके सामने बुला के बुलवा दे तो भी हो सकता है, क्योंकि इस बार Good morning, respected sir and my friends. My name is Ruby. I am from Jodhpur. My father's name is Ruby. We are three singers in my family. I have distance with 86% from RBSc and 81% is from RBSc. My hobbies are to read methodological lens and to play Bollywood and social projects. I want to join Indian Air Force because I love the dignity of the uniform. Everyone is equally important in Air Force. And also my parents want to see me in Air Force uniform. Thank you. So let's come to the topic. Today my topic Jammu Kashmir after abrogation, Article 37. Article 370. In 17 October 1949, our constitution was started applicable. Then after we find Article first which declares Jammu Kashmir is the state of India, and Article 370 declares Article 370 सर बाद में बोलो। अभी कहते हो रेड के मत आया करो, समझ के आया करो। हमारी यही प्रॉब्लम है, रोज यही होता है, समझ के आते तो बोल लेते हैं। मेडिटेशन नहीं है ये, तुम रेड के आए हो, तुम वो लैंग्वेज ऐसे कि रेड के आए हो, वो मतलब जो बोलना है वो रटो मत, वो कॉन्टेक्स्ट याद कर लो, मुझे ऐसे तो बोल लो, उसके आसपास आप बोलोगे ना, हाँ बोलोगे।
Hello sir, hello friends. I am Sandeep Saran. I live in Nagpur, Rajasthan. I have completed my 10+2 from Jodhpur. 8% I studied in Bardwan Mahavir Open University, Kota. My father is farmer and my mother is homemaker. I went to join Indian Air Force because Air Force uniform, discipline, rules, and environment of Air Force attract me. This is all about me. Now I express my view on the topic. On 5th August 2019, our president declared abrogation of the 370 in our Constitution of India. The Constitution, Article 370. According in Article 370, in other Indian state, people do not bought any property in and no any candidate doing business in Kashmir. But after abrogation this Article 370, any people of state brought in property and settled there. In favor of Article 370, teachers, doctors, and any professors settle there, and many factories are settled there because this type of activities are also increasing in progress for Jammu and Kashmir. Thank you.
Nice, very good. बहुत अच्छा बोला, हालांकि थोड़ा इरेगुलर थे इतने दिन, मगर अच्छा बोला। अभी इरेगुलर मत रहना आप लोग, ठीक है? प्लीज रेगुलर रहना, आप में नुकसान है, मैं तो रोज ही आऊंगा।
Good morning to respected sir and my dear friends. My name is Jati Krishna. I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan, which is famous for Mehrangarh Fort. My father's name is Mangaji. He is a farmer, and my mother's name is Babu Devi. She is a housewife. I have passed 10 plus 2 with 87 marks in Hindi medium RD student 2018. Now I am pursuing BSc second year from JNU Jodhpur. My hobby is playing and watching cricket. Sir, I want to join Indian Air Force because it is not a job but medium to fly high in the sky with the wings of Indian Air Force. It also provides me dignity and honor in my society. Now I would like to express my view on our topic. Our topic is Article 370. In Article 370 occupies an important place in our Indian Constitution. Article 370 is provide special status and separate flag and separate citizenship. And this article belong related to Article 35A. In this article, we can other state cannot person could not purchase any property. So it main objection to our developing countries speed breaker because they cannot educated and business in other in Jammu Kashmir. After removing Article 370, Jammu Kashmir is divided into two territories in Ladakh and Jammu Kashmir territory. After removing Article 370 and we discussed the after 370 article removing and before dual citizenship and single after single citizenship and we could not marry women's Jammu Kashmir before removing Article 370 and before Article 370 Jammu Kashmir have a separate flag but tricolor flag now and before 370 no reservation for minority but after removing Article 370 their reservation for minority and not applicable Article 356 and 360 before removing Article 370 now applicable to. Thank you sir.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया बोला, मजा आ गया सुन। एक लाइन में बहुत मतलब हंसा गई थी। Before Article 370 we could not marry the women of Kashmir and now we can marry them.
This was it.
होता था नहीं अच्छा बोला मुझे इसका हंसी आ गई थी और मैं वही मेरा रह गया टाइमर पता ना भूल गया
कितना था?
हाँ 2 मिनट 28 सेकंड तक बोला तुमने हालांकि थोड़ा कम बोला था बट बोला अच्छा इसलिए मैंने रोका नहीं तुम फ्लो में थे तो बोल लेते स्टार्ट
Hello friends, my name is Mahibah Chaudhary. I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. My father's name Deepak Chaudhary. He is a farmer. My mother's name Jamuna Devi.
एक तो है ना देखो सॉरी तुम्हारा मैं बताना भूल गया ऑनर कौन बोलता है ऑनर एंड रेस्पेक्ट इन सोसाइटी आप ही बोलते हो
सर डिग्निटी एंड
ऑनर नहीं आपने ऑनर बोल दिया था ऑनर तो ऑनर भी होता है ऑनर ठीक है याद रखना हालांकि इतना मायने नहीं रखता मगर याद रखना आई एम फ्रॉम जोधपुर I am from Jodhpur यार कितनी बार बोला I am from हाँ I am from जोधपुर और जोधपुर क्या होता है
My father's name आएगा
Mr. father name नहीं father's name
My father. Sir, hello friends, my name is Mahibah Chaudhary. I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. My father's name Deepak Chaudhary. He is a farmer. My mother's name Jamuna Devi. She is a housewife. My hobby is to play cricket and football, and also help my mother in household chores. I want to join Indian Air Force because I love the dignity of uniform, and it's my childhood dream to become an airman. And let's live a honorable and a respectful life. Thank you. Today's my topic is abrogation of an Article 370. The Article 370 was drafted by the Sheikh Abdullah in year 1947, due to which TR became as a Prime Minister of Jammu and Kashmir by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and Raja Hari Singh. They demanded the fully autonomous state to the Jammu and Kashmir, but the government found it an unreasonable deal. According to the Article 370, on the 5th of August 2019, our President Ramnath Kovind declared the abrogation of an Article 370. Article 370 gives the special status to the Jammu and Kashmir. So, due to the abrogation, there are certain changes will be occurring in Jammu and Kashmir. There will be an imposed the presidential power come into force into the Jammu and Kashmir. So due to the abrogation, certain changes are there. Before abrogation, we can't be purchasing land in Jammu and Kashmir, but now we have a right to purchase the land in Jammu and Kashmir. And there are many certain changes will be occur due to the abrogation of an Article 370. Concluding to my last point of view that the people of the Jammu Kashmir fear that due to the abrogation of Article 370, they have a lack of resources and so government will be implementing some certain changes in an Article 370 that they implore the thank you.
जब भी अटक जाओ तो थोड़ा ठहर जाएगा, भागा मत।
मैं सोचता हूँ कि
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि मतलब 1 सेकंड का पॉज होता है, 1-2 सेकंड का पॉज होता है, अपने आप वो रिकॉल हो जाता है कि आप नाम बोल रहे थे। ये चीज बहुत ध्यान रखना वहाँ पे। कई बार ब्लैकआउट हो जाता है, जब भी ब्लैकआउट हो जाओ ना तो 1-2 सेकंड के लिए रुक जाओ, एक गहरी सांस लो, अपने आप याद आ जाएगा। ठीक है, स्टार्ट।
Good morning all of you. My name is Vasudev Sisodia and I
2 मिनट 3 सेकंड और 29 सेकंड में तुमने बोल दिया था अपना वो PI। अगर तुमने ऑनरेबल बोला, तुमने अभी मैंने कोई बोला ऑनर नहीं बोला, तुमने भी ऑनरेबल बोल दिया। ऑनरेबल नहीं होता है, ऑनरेबल सर। हाँ ठीक है, याद रखते हैं। स्टार्ट।
Good morning all of you. My name is Vasudev Sisodia and I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. My father's name is Ramkumar Sisodia and he is an officer in Punjab National Bank. I scored 82% in my 10th class and 76% in my 12th class from RGSC board. And currently I am pursuing bachelor's in computer application. I like to play badminton, swimming, chess, etc. I want to join Indian Air Force as it provides us the opportunity to work with the most advanced and high-tech equipment, gadgets, and aircraft. And it also spreads my feeling of patriotism, and I love the dignity of the uniform, and it's my childhood dream. So let's come to our today's topic. As you all know, on 5th August 2019, our honorable and respected President declared the abrogation of Article 370 and 35A. As we all know, these articles, due to this article, no one can purchase land and can be settled in Jammu and Kashmir. And they also the Jammu and Kashmir also having a separate constitution and a separate flag, due to which many laws are unapplicable, like child marriage and women reservation, etc. After the abrogation, we can see many improvements in Jammu and Kashmir, like many industries will set up and which will increase the opportunities of employment, and medical facilities will also improve. But the abrogation, due to abrogation of this 3017, people are afraid that this will affect the demography of their citizens of their state, and will also increase the population. And last, I want to conclude that this is a good and bold step taken by our government, but the way it has been implemented was wrong, and it was not consulted with the citizens and the state government. At last, government should take many steps to improve the quality, quality of people living, and provide by providing employment and improving their security status. Thank you.
टोटली परफेक्ट, सब कुछ बढ़िया था। बस वही है, थोड़ा कंसाइज और मतलब थोड़ा लंबा खींच के बोले था, तो वही चीज थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस करना है, थोड़ा सा कम हो, मतलब वहाँ पे जल्दी भगा देते हैं ना इसलिए। बाकी इट वाज वेरी नाइस। आप आना चाहोगे?
Hello friends, very well, good morning all of you. I want to introduce to myself. My name is Lakshman. I belong to Nagpur, Mehta, and my father's name is Navaram. He is a farmer, and my mother's name is Kamala Devi. She is a housewife. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is my childhood dream, and in this job gives us many opportunity and dignity of this special dress, and My hobbies are playing cricket and watching TV. And today's our given topic, Article 370. It is continued in from 1949 in the article special status gave to Jammu Kashmir. It is continued for special status and for citizens of Jammu Kashmir. And many there are present problems of citizens and other states no property land for the citizens and there are many persons in a problem that education facilities and hospital facilities are not properly in this. After they removed the 5th August 2019 after they removed and there are many gives many facilities and hospital facilities and it is possible now for Modi governments it after the possible and today now there are many more and more advantage this remove it articles and less than disadvantage. Thanks for listening.
भाई फर्स्ट डे के हिसाब से हमने बहुत ही शानदार किया, बहुत ही शानदार। थोड़ा बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट की गुंजाइश यही है कि थोड़ा आई कांटेक्ट बढ़ाना है और थोड़ा सा मतलब गर्दन का मूवमेंट लाना है।
तो वहाँ को इतना
बाकी बहुत अच्छा था है,
इतना नहीं करना होता है वैसे नॉर्मल से देखना होता है।
हाँ भाई आपका तो ऐसा था ही वैसा तो हो जाएगा। बाकी इट वाज वेरी नाइस। नहीं आज मैं कोई बुराई नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि आज आपने बहुत अच्छा बताया और फर्स्ट डे के हिसाब से करना मतलब शानदार। आई एम हैप्पी। और आप एक बार वो ले लेना वही ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक जो भी होगी थोड़ी बहुत उसमें। बाकी इंग्लिश आपकी अच्छी थी, ग्रामर भी अच्छी थी, वॉइस भी अच्छा था। पिछली बार क्या हुआ था? एक सेकंड पॉज करें। पिछली
Good morning, friends. My name is Akshay Sharma. I am from Jodhpur. Good morning, friends. My name is Akshay Sharma. I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. I completed my 12th from RBSC board. My father name is Mr. Anil Kumar Sharma. He is a teacher. My mother name is Mrs. Sapna Khandelwal. She is also a teacher. I have one sibling. My hobbies are playing kabaddi and reading novels. I represent my district in the state championship. My reason of joining Air Force this is not only my dream but also my parents want to see me as an airman. I also like the blue uniform of the Air Force. Thank you. Today's our topic is abrogation of 370. Article 370 was written in drafted in part 21. Titled Temporary Transition and Special Provisions. Article 370 gives special provision to special status to J&K, and they have different constitution and they have different flag, and also autonomy over the internal administration in the states. And the other article is the 35A. It says define the J&K in a different set of law and the other citizenship of ownership of property and the rights. They have their different fundamental rights compared to the other states of Indian country. And but on 5th August of 2019, the J&K Reorganization of Act 2019 passed in Parliament, and this was abolished the 370 article, and it helped so many of different ways to J&K, like improve the job and also it increase the industries and private investments in the health and education. It will help their economy and develop it. Thank you.
सर आपने रोके तो और पता क्या
है
आपने रोके
बट वो इसीलिए मैंने इशारा करना तो जरूरी है ना कि भाई लिमिटेड टाइम में आप
वो डाटा था डाटा वो था।
हाँ वो तो मुझे पता है, बाकी सब जीडी में बोलना। स्टार्ट।
Hello friends, my name is Bhavani Singh Rajpurohit. I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. My father's name is Hanuman Singh Rajpurohit. He is in a private job. I completed my 10th with 74% and 12th with 58% from RBSC. My hobbies are to listen to music and play cricket. I want to join Indian Air Force because it's my childhood dream and I love the dignity of its uniform and it provides us a respectful and adventurous life. Today our topic is Kashmir after application of Article 370. The application of Article 370 in Kashmir placed restriction on transfer of land. As a result, private investments of development are severely constrained, due to which development of Kashmir was also stopped, and children there can't get proper education, and women's and not getting their proper rights. On 5th August 2019, Article 370 was removed. After that, Kashmir started to
cooperate with the government.
Kashmir started to cooperate with government, and it started developing. Thank you.
डरा मत करो यार, थोड़ा सा डर गया, नर्वस हो गए थे तुम। बाकी अच्छा बोला, पीआई वाज गुड और आज पढ़ के भी आए थे। बट थोड़ा सा ना आई कांटेक्ट बनाने की कोशिश, थोड़ा सा आई कांटेक्ट बनाओ। लेकिन वैसे भी देखते हो, अगर इस तरीके से देखते हो कि तुम्हें मतलब देख के नीचे आके कर रहे हो, आंखों की पुतलियों को नीचे नहीं करना है, आंखों में आंखें डाल के बात करनी है। अगर नीचे झुक जाएंगी आंखें, मतलब डर है या शर्म है, ये वाली चीज होती है। अपने में आपको डर है ना शर्म है, अपने पास कॉन्फिडेंस है, तो उस चीज को अपन को वहां रिप्रेजेंट करना है। ठीक है, जरूर। आप बोलना चाहोगे अपने बारे में कुछ? हाँ, इंट्रोडक्शन नहीं, इसको इंट्रोडक्शन देना है आपको, जो भी है, ठीक है? आपको जितना आता है जो आता है स्टार्ट करें। सो लेट्स कम start.
So let's come to the topic. Today my topic.
Introduction. Start. Introduction.
Self introduction या फिर
PI और topic का दोनों introduction. Start.
Good morning friends. My name is Rupi. I am from Jodhpur. My father's name is Rupi. He is teacher. We are the same family. I passed 10th with 86% and 12th with 81% from RCSC. My hobbies are to play. My hobbies are to read methodological events and play volleyball and crossword puzzles. I want to join Indian Air Force because I love the dignity of the uniform. Everyone is equally important in Air Force, and also my parents want to see me in the uniform. Thank you. Today is my let's come to the topic. Today is my topic. Jammu Kashmir after application 370 article. On 17 October 1949, our constitution was started applicable, and Article 1 which declares the Jammu Kashmir is the state of our India, and Article 370 declares the special and temporary provision of the Jammu Kashmir. In 1956, Article 370 says that all government rules are not only applied in the Jammu Kashmir status, but our president want to he can issue public order that we want to remove the Article 370. He want to remove Article 370. He can remove the Article 370 that he has to permit from Constitutional Assembly of Jammu and Kashmir. Now I want to say about the Article 35A. Article 35A is discrimination among the people living in the Jammu Kashmir. And says that those who are people does not have residency of Jammu Kashmir, they are not applicable for the Jammu Kashmir residency. So let's thank you.
on the topic how abrogation of Article 370 and 35A has improved or deproved Kashmir. So we will have a deep knowledge about the topic. We will discuss it deeply here, and I want to know the views and opinion of every one of you. What do you think about the topic and how you think that what could be the future of the Kashmir after removal of this article? So you may start your group discussion now.
Hello friends. So today our group discussion is abrogation of this Article 370 and 35A in Jammu Kashmir. So on 5 August 2019, our Honorable President Shri Ramnath Kovind declared to remove Article 370 and 35A in Jammu Kashmir. So the main benefits of this article is foreign countries are invest and make industries in Kashmir, because in past time they have no foreign countries in Jammu Kashmir, and that's why mostly people have unemployment.
Due to the application of Article 370, people were also in fear about that. Due to application, some powers will be suppressed on them. So maybe.
I'm agree with my brother. He said that after application of 370, there are so many benefits JNK get, like the students get the employment, the placement of there, and they get a good education and health.
Yes, as my friend said, because in the previous time the due to unemployment, school peddler are also increases day by day, because from a terrorist group and Pakistan terrorist group, they have donation and give money for doing such work like a stone peddler, because they have no work. They have educated, they have degree, they have 10 plus.
I actually agree with the fact that as after application, literacy rate will also increase, due to which people will get more aware about what they have to do, what is against unity or what is against our country or not. So they will do the things which will qualify and make they increase the quality of their living.
Yeah, I agree with you, but not only the education, but also the infrastructure, such as the hotel and other facilities which will happen. Improve the tourism, like rural tourism will improve there.
Yes, and after the removing Article 370, Jammu and Kashmir condition is improved, because before the Article 370 they have no reservation for minority and
Indian government also, because they boost the economy, and due to which appropriation people can purchase land and investment in the Jammu and Kashmir, which will be very beneficial for the Jammu and Kashmir people.
Now the government policies are also be applicable to Jammu Kashmir, like the Prime Minister Jan Dhan Yojana and the prohibition of child marriage now also be used.
By this article, now the teachers, doctors and other professionals now study there and bringing better facilities. So by this, Kashmir get better economic development.
Main of the remove Article 370 is a terrorism activity fully stopped, and they are open way of any state of in India and Jammu Kashmir.
Yes,
teachers, students, and many factories are also.
Yes,
now
Article 370, so many industries are investing in Jammu Kashmir and in building their industries.
Yes,
like
and after
the Tropicana juice factory, because we know that in Jammu Kashmir, the Jammu Kashmir is a hub of dry fruits and fruits.
Yeah, I agree with you. There are so many of like food and horticulture is situated there, and it will increase after this abrogation, and it will help their economy and develop it.
Yes, now women can retain their rights and citizenship by if they married by anyone outside of the Kashmir.
If we see the terrorist incident, that was before the application of Act was 130 incident from July to May. But after the abolition of Filter, it reduced to 130 only.
Because
there are many decrees in after the removal, 370, and there are many rights of women and children education, and there are many facilities in education before the comparison of July 2009.
But the way of abrogation 370 this does not is good, because the CM of Jammu and Kashmir in a sent a petition, and force is also increasing.
I totally agree with your point, as the implementation of this abrogation was not good, as it goes against the democratic provisions, because they didn't take any permission from the citizen of Kashmir, and the state.
I'm quite agree with you. Yes, friend. Now our Indian Constitution apply in Jammu Kashmir. So the developing Jammu and Kashmir is increasing many industrial areas, and some just because removing Article 370, the speed breaker of the developing is over.
Before many photos are added to the tourism part of also Jammu and Kashmir.
Before removing Article 370,
places was very good agency like Vaishno Devi Mandir. So also people are added to that.
Tourism part is also increasing, because we know that in Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh area, people are make a holiday and they spending their good times. So, but we in the past time, before removing Article 370, people are afraid due to terrorism. But now they are
after the abrogation, the terrorist activities has came to a very much fall, and due to which people will now feel more secure and will enjoy their trip and tour to the, which will automatically will increase the economic status of the people, like shopkeepers and owners and many other people
before
which they have invested at their.
But now
Before removing the Article 370,
the local Minister Army come to the Jammu and Kashmir, they will be suppressed their voice.
Before removing Article 370, our parliament had the permission of state government to establish a law there, but now there is no need of any permission of state
I
government.
agree with you, friend. Most of the justice for West of Pakistan, there are many benefits in border of Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh areas.
My friend Article 370, now government should have to take serious note on providing the job to the youngsters, because there are very much less jobs to government jobs to people of Jammu
I totally agree with your friend, as now it's government duty that they have to increase the employment by setting up many government policies and industries and providing medical facilities, and also by providing security to the citizens. Then they can deal with that.
Especially between India and Pakistan. So imposing the presidential power in and abrogation of Article 370 also being helpful for the Jammu Kashmir people.
The duration of legislation assembly now will be 5 years instead of 6 years.
I agree with you, friend. We know that before the 370, you know that 20,000 people are out of state Jammu Kashmir for employment is
In against of
Yes, Article 25 emerge inequality in the Jammu Kashmir people, because they do not raise our voice to suppress their voice.
Yes, a political leader like Mehbooba Mufti, she was continuously making 2 years as CM, and he directly and indirectly suppressed the Jammu Kashmir peoples and acquired the votes and taking a donation from terrorist countries like Afghanistan and Pakistan.
Further activities are also being imposed now.
Now international can invest in Jammu and Kashmir and bringing the better economic development.
As you all know, before abrogation, there was a separate constitution and a separate land for Jammu and Kashmir, which affects the integrity of and unity of our India. After the abrogation, there will be the same constitution we applied to, which were applied before, applying to the other states and union territory, which will increase the unity and integrity of the of Jammu Kashmir with India.
Because Article 370, many people of Jammu Kashmir, some species Muslims, they are involved in terrorism activities.
And now Jammu and Kashmir divided into two union territories. First Jammu and Kashmir and second is Ladakh.
In against of the Article 370, much of people reach the Jammu and Kashmir and they are also settled there. But that time, people of in the Kashmir fully in employment.
Yes, my friend, I agree with you. I want to further add, all our president want to, he can public issue, but he has to permission from the constitutional assembly of the Jammu Kashmir.
After removing the Article 370, our economic system will be better because tourist activities is increasing and
I agree with my friend. This is that after the removal of the 370 article, there is also improvement in the education system and also literacy rate. And most of this very important. This is a women empowerment.
Yes, other state teachers are in Jammu Kashmir and teachers, professors are doing a good job, good education.
Yeah, I agree with you. There are so many private leaders that will invest in the health and education policies, and it will help their in get the employment in the central governments and also the state governments.
And after only not only government schools will not only people get government jobs, but if private sectors also invest in the Jammu and Kashmir, then people can get private jobs and get.
And
after
after
should also be included in the activities like investment in the Jammu and Kashmir. They also be helpful for the Jammu and Kashmir people.
not only removing the 370 better first, but also their Jammu Kashmirians people because they do their work in other states and they increase their profession and business.
after the abolition of 370, people from different states will came and will start settling their industries and will start settle down there, due to which they will also affect the natural environment and so natural resources, as the pollution will also increase, which will affect the quality of living.
Article 370. Now the government of Jammu Kashmir, more than 3 lakh people are getting 7th pay commission now also.
Abolishing Article 370, now outsider can get state job in Jammu and Kashmir, and outsider can own property in Jammu and Kashmir.
If the employment will be generated in Jammu and Kashmir, then the people will not become a two-party in the terrorism activities. So due to all of these problems, employment is a necessity on the Jammu and Kashmir.
And also that thing is held in our constitution. According to Article 35A, if Kashmiri girls marry with some other state boy, then the citizenship of girls is removed. But the same, on the other hand, if girl is marrying with Pakistani boys, then the citizenship of girls is remain, and also and boy also get citizenship of Kashmir. So directly and indirectly, it's promoting terrorists because they came in our country and really irregular activities.
Before education, they have not a right to vote and select the Indian government. So now, after education, they have a right to vote for an Indian government and choosing the Indian government.
In my opinion, because if you are comparison before they remove the 370 and after they remove 370, there are more progress in we can say education and the rights of women and children. We can say industries. There are many benefits of Jammu Kashmir and other states and more and more. There are many advantages.
After the
Before the Article 370, their women cannot transfer his own property to their kids. These are problems for their children.
After the abolition, the government has introduced 85 new policies which oriented the people of Jammu Kashmir like PM Kisan Yojana, PM Kisan Pension Yojana, Jan Dhan Yojana.
And if we say women empowerment before removing on Article 370, women because we know that in our constitution triple talaq is also a big role. but this bill is not applicable in Jammu and Kashmir. But after removing Article 370, it is also applicable in Jammu and Kashmir.
As after the abrogation
Yes,
of
many
the
schemes are applicable
the
in
people
Jammu and
now
Kashmir.
can take part in many national sports and other activities before which was not possible. And now they can take part in sports facilities and can represent their state in the national sports and other activities, and now can apply for every government job that were not possible.
After that, conclusion. So, are you ready for conclusion now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
Start from here. Yeah, beach is
Yes, yes,
start from my
Beach he answered that.
First of all, you can consider the indicates that Article 370 is before that there are many pressing problems in the both are other states and local areas that Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, and after they remove the 370, there are many advantages both are states and more facilities, private sectors and government sector also.
From my point of view, the conclusion is that before the abrogation of 370, there are so many problems they're facing of the J&K peoples, but after it, there are so many of facilities they will get, and from it, the economy of their state and they get a boost, and it will get developed.
Yes, we know that. Yes,
continue conclusion.
As
After the discussion, conclusion the topic, after the removing Article 370 is our India facing many difficulties, but it is better for our other state peoples and Jammu Kashmir because they increase their profession in many other states and some just like as other state they increase his profession in Jammu Kashmir. Thank you, sir.
From point of view that after abrogation of an Article 370 is been helpful for many Indians also because they are been generating an investment in the Jammu and Kashmir, which is not possible before the abrogation of the Article 370. So it's been an opportunity, and the government is also been generating employment in the Jammu and Kashmir.
After reviewing all your points and opinions, I want to conclude that it's a very big and bold step taken by government by removing 370, Article 370 and 35A, as it will improve the life and also will increase the opportunities of the Kashmiri people and Jammu Kashmir people. But the way they implemented was wrong. Now it's the government's duty to, as they promised that they will increase the employment and will boost the economic status and will provide a safe and secure state. Now it's a government duty to make many policies and reforms so that people can make further continue.
As a conclusion, I want to say that after abrogation of Kashmir, the Kashmir is started developing and educational system is also getting better, and women's there getting their proper rights, and in future that.
Yes, my final conclusion on that topic is we know that after removing Article 370 and 35A, the factories are increasing and investors are come on and investing in Jammu Kashmir. But we also think on the pollution, because we know that if factory hub is increasing, so the pollution is also increasing, and if we also maintain the factory criteria on that topic, and if factories are increasing, then employment and GDP is also increasing.
In my opinion, it is good decision by our government by abolishing Article 370. Now investors can invest business in Jammu and Kashmir, and other professionals like teachers, doctors can doing better facilities in Jammu and Kashmir. Now Jammu and Kashmir can economically better develop.
Conclusion the topic, after abrogation 317, our government faced a lot of problems because this time factory is not easy. But at a certain time, there is any field are fully developed as education field, and industry is also increasing. and the way of any state are and Jammu and Kashmir fully open. The Jammu and Kashmir students employ reach any corner of the India. Thank you.
In my opinion, Article 370 says that all government rules will be not applied in the Jammu Kashmir status, and Article 35 creates the discrimination between the Jammu Kashmir residents. Thank you.
After hearing your all opinion, my conclusion is that the government had taken a good and bold step of abolishing this article. But the way was wrong. The government should now take a good.
Now we have one nation, one constitution, and one flag.
Thank
It was a very nice discussion, and I'm happy by your improvement today. Many of you have shown a good improvement in the discussion as well as in the personal introduction and topic introduction. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we'll discuss on the topic India and China relations. That is the most controversial topic, and that is the most informative topic nowadays. India and China relations. Jai Hind.
शौर्य भारत डिफेंस एग्जाम्स लर्निंग ऐप